Let's enter into the next sutra. In summer, when you see the entire sky endlessly clear, enter such clarity. This is a very powerful technique. Again, the same experience. First, Mahadeva gives you the technique to feel that living presence with the whole world, living being, everything. Second, he gives the technique to feel that whole thing with the cosmos which is beyond your perception. With the whole, first he tells you, see the living presence when you look down. Second, he tells you, see the living presence when you look up. If you can see the living presence in the world, then feeling that living presence in the sky is easy. Otherwise, directly if you see the sky, you can't feel the presence. You will feel only the dead, dull, nothing. There is nothing moving. Here there are so many things moving. At least you can easily connect that life is there. But there, nothing is moving. Understand? But the life is intense there than here. This is a very powerful technique. Dhyana Sutra. He says, in the clear summer sky, feel the sky. Do not try to see the cloud. Feel the vast empty sky and enter into it. What does he mean by the word? Enter into it. Enter such clarity. Understand? You have three space known to you. Chidakasha, Katakasha and Mahakasha. Chidakasha means the inner space which you have inside the body. Katakasha means the space which is covered by the building in which you are staying, your house. The space covered inside your building. Mahakasha means the whole cosmos. Inside this roof and roofless. Three sky, but all three are one and the same. Because you have boundary, you think it is three. Otherwise it is not three, it is only one. Now, Mahadeva is trying to bring Mahakasha into Chidakasha. Understand? Cosmic sky into the inner space. When you look that empty sky, intensely look, not one point, as whole. If you are looking at cloud, you will be concentrated, one point. As the whole, look, you will see that intense emptiness. Then, close the eyes, just bring that emptiness inside. Just visualize that same emptiness inside. Bring it back. Just turn it in. You will see that same clarity, the emptiness comes inside you. There won't be any thoughts. Meditating on the sky is a very powerful technique. Ramana Maharshi says that will start giving you even boons. I was really surprised. Ramana Maharshi talking about boons. Because he will never give any method to get your wishes fulfilled and all. Somebody goes to Bhagavan and asks, give me some boon, some money or something they are asking. He tries his usual Brahmastra. No, ask the person who is asking. But this guy was very intelligent. He did not budge for any of Bhagavan's Brahmastra. He said, no, I want. Either tell me you will give or say no. Don't avoid. Then Bhagavan says, lie down in the roof and meditate on the sky. You will have it. I have read his books and teachings and memoirs enough. Only once ever I have seen him giving a technique and saying that what you want, you will get it. Do this technique. This is the only technique. This is the only technique, he says. you will get what you want, have it and do it. This is the only technique. Understand the power of this technique. Look into that emptiness of the vast emptiness of the sky and just turn it in. Visualize you have become that same vastness. Actually, whenever you see the vast emptiness, sky, you automatically feel that number of thoughts coming down, the cloud coming down, the clouds disappearing, even inner space. That is why whenever you go to beach, you feel that joy. You feel that joy. You feel that openness. You feel that fulfillment. You feel that ecstasy. And you feel that peace. Here, Mahadeva is giving this as a technique. Lie down in the roof and watch. Of course, in this country you can't lie down in the roof. You have to find out a separate place. In India it's always flat roof. An RCC. You can nicely lie down, and not only that, it will not be too cold. So, look at the sky, not concentrating, just overall, intensely, and let you see, imbibe. After some time, just bring that same clarity into you, into your inner space. It's a technique of cleaning the Chidakasha. Means like, see, if it is a small pond, naturally it will become dirty because the water does not move and it will become dirty water. If a river enters that lake, overnight the whole lake will become pure because so much of water coming and cleaning will happen. Same way, your Chidakasha has become impure by the dirty thoughts, unmoving, stagnant. When the cosmos, when the Mahakasha enters into you, suddenly you see the Chidakasha is purified because the huge river, flood is entering into your inner space. It's a very powerful way of cleaning your inner space. Let me summarize both the techniques. Feel the cosmos as a translucent, ever-living presence. This is the technique. Actually, both are leading to the same experience. Both are intended to lead you to the same experience. One is Nitya Sutra, continuously which you are supposed to practice. The other one is Dhyana Sutra, at particular time you are supposed to practice. If you can do both every day, the experience will be strengthened and quickened. Both of them are complementing techniques. Actually, Mahadeva speaks few sutras to direct you, to guide you to the same experience. To guide you to the same experience. Here, he is giving you two sutra, one Nitya Sutra and another one Dhyana Sutra. Understand the Nitya Sutra continuously. Remember, while you are driving or seeing TV, watching movie, talking, continuously remember you are alive in everything just as you are alive inside your body. When you are holding the wheel and driving, remember you are alive inside the car, filling the whole car just as you are filling your body. And you are alive in the road as you are filling your body. You are alive in everything you are seeing as you are filling in the body. And if you can try to just see the aura of the things continuously, try to be in that same mood, try to be in that same feeling. This is Nitya Sutra, to lead you to the same experience. Dhyana Sutra is, in the night time, Penetrate the sky, look at the sky intensely, not concentrating, just looking for 10 minutes. Then close the eyes and just internalize. Just bring that same empty space inside and see the same empty space inside and same intense silence inside. You will see that happens here. Mahakasha will be experienced by Chidakasha. Now we will do the Nitya Sutra. Dhyana Sutra needs empty sky, which you can't do here, but we can do the Nitya Sutra. Closed eyes, for few moments, feel everything is alive around you. Please close your eyes. Take few moments. Be very patient. With patience, feel everything. The chair in which you are sitting. First, start with the chair because that is the nearest object. Visualize you are alive inside the furniture. You are sitting. Same way you are alive inside your skin. The same life is radiating. Feel you are alive as you are alive inside your skin. The person sitting around you. You are alive inside. All the people, all the persons who are sitting in this hall. Take a few moments, visualize with a clear intention, a new doors will open. Visualize you are alive. Everything is alive like you. The walls, furnitures, persons, flowers, the roof, ground, everything is living. Feel you are alive inside everything, just as you are alive inside your skin.